What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Soulfly Trades, back with another banger. And I just got off the live video where I had lost $200 on my secondary account. The reason it wasn't 200 on both accounts simply because I didn't pay for this one. I forgot to pay for it. So it wasn't even activated, and once I found that out, I literally just paid for it. But now I'm on longs. I'm in longs according to let me show you SPY. I'm in these longs on the break of my level, according to SPY. QQQ's having a harder time breakout. I tried to short that and got smacked. Let me just show you where I tried to short QQQ. Oops. So once we failed, I got back in on the retest, which was this, and it was chopping around, but eventually it stopped me out. My stop was actually above the highs, but I stopped out like midway once we broke this area. Lost $200, but it is what it is, you know. You live and you learn. So I'm hoping we hit this 611 price target. Yeah, I'm about to add to this position. Only risking $185 now. think I moved my stop up too early. If today's going to be like a nice long opportunity today, I think I need to give this some more time to play out. Hope this video got my audio attached to it. I need this candlestick to close pretty decently so that I have more confidence in my stop loss right now and moving my stop loss up. And since I am 9 contracts deep, you know, 3 more than my max contract size, I am being quite cautious here. Hence why I have it at break even right now. I'm trying to wait until I'm at least $900, hopefully in profits, if we can see that. But I don't like how QQQ is pulling back here. I don't like that. But I like how SPY is looking. I ain't gonna lie, getting your hair locked up, bro, like, joint be itching. Like, I'm not trying to scratch it, but like, it's so fucking hard. Shit. Especially while your hair getting used to it, bro. Hold on, I'm gonna step away.
That's what I like to see from SPX. QQQ is rejecting that pre-market highs. With some volume coming in. Yeah, QQQ is definitely the harder trade. If I'd have just paid more attention to SPY, I'd have went long off the off the 655-minute candle. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's just a lot of waiting around. Honestly, I'm not upset if it's just chopping in the same area but not making a true big pullback. I won't be upset. If we can just make a slow grind up, I'd be fine with that. Completely fine with it. Although, the 15-minute I don't like. And it closes in 2 more minutes.
thinking about taking a little bit of profits. If we can break these 5-minute highs, probably hold this full position. Look like we might have, you know, maybe have enough room for another push, as long as SPX can break that 612668 and hold it. So I'm aiming for about 31 ticks here on MES. I think I want to set and forget really quick. because I'm in a position right now on one account to where I don't want to hit this daily stop threshold. If I were to close right now, it'll cancel my losses. But I also have a price target that I'm aiming for, about 31 ticks, which I believe we could possibly see. So I don't want to cut a good position too early. And I can't move my stop loss up right now. So I think I'm going to set and forget. But this is also good. Jesus Calling, I like to read this in the morning. You know, a piece of daily bread just to get my mind right. Because trading is hard. Well, that's another thing. I'm going to update you guys after I finish recording on my PC. I'm going to record and show you guys how the last three, well, besides Tuesday, the last 3 trading days, I've lost around $350. And I was right. It's not like I was wrong. It's just I'd get stopped out and price would go in my favor. And I'm going to be honest, yesterday was not a good day for me mentally. I was upset about that. I'm going to be honest, I was upset about it. I was upset that, you know, I'm fairly right a lot of the times and I'm not getting paid for it. Or I get stopped out just for price to move in my favor. But I also have to understand that this is the price that I pay. This is the game that I play. So I have to be okay with that. I have to. But price is like accumulating right here, which I'm totally fine with. I just want us to break and hit my price target, honestly. But it is what it is. I'll be back in like 5 minutes. I'll leave this on, so I'll let you guys watch it. That's what I like to see. I'm also trying to upload different styles of videos for you guys, like my vlog ones that you guys been seeing recently, and also I'm gonna try to start doing these ones on my PC where you can see the trade and see me at the same time. Trying to like switch it up for you guys, do live videos, post some shorts, you know, trying to get creative for you guys. Get creative with you guys' education. I'm gonna move my stop up soon. I'm walking away with at least $118. Better than zero. At least $118 on this on my leader account, and shoot, it's going to end up being a long video. It's already 42 minutes. play some Brawl Stars while I wait. Ain't nothing I can do but wait. The NASDAQ is pushing while the S&P is pulling back slightly. What is this new brawler they have? If we can break this structure right here, I'm gonna move my stop under 6180. I'm interested to see how this 5-minute candle closes in 3 minutes. We are pushing 50 minutes in this video. Win or lose today, I've secured most of my profits back on my other account. Bro, you supposed to take the fucking rock, nigga. I just lost on Brawl Stars. It's crazy. I'm locking in $253 regardless. Oh, I just sold 3. Lock in some gains at these highs. I might sell 3 more and keep the last 3 as runners. Oh, the reason why I'm doing that, I want to show you guys. See, it's sort of dying out towards my key level. So I'm locking in gains. Alright, well, it's a green day for me. Because I'm not sure, I'm not sure if we'll break above and see the 6201. I'm not sure about that. Keep that joint $20 in profit. Fuck you, mean. Or should I worry about the $20? I mean, it's only $20, and just leave it as a complete runner for the rest of the day. $20 to make 130. Fuck it, I'm gonna leave it. I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it. But that is gonna be it for me. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Shit. I'm gonna just leave this bad boy as a runner, and I'll update you guys on what happens on that. But other than that, I can't lose today. You know, I made back my losses and up $163 on, on the follower account. And yeah, that pullback is coming in hot. And I made money on my other account. Yeah, these are the last the trades I want to tell you about. Since I'm already here, I might as well tell you about it. So on Wednesday, I took shorts according on MNQ according to QQQ, creating a lower high and being overextended, signaling pullback. I eventually entered the trade on the 5-minute confirmation at around 7:03 a.m. I was subsequently stopped out on an impulse wick to the upside after moving my stop down more after receiving 5-minute confirmation. Let's fix that. That it was weak trying to move. I was trying to move my stop with the price to risk less while I was making money on this break right here of this candlestick, this red candlestick. And unfortunately, I was stopped out on an impulse wick and lost $68 for this single trade total. Oh yeah, but this trade is pulling back hard. Hold on, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna just cut it. Take my money. I don't even care. Take my bread. That's enough trading for me today. Yeah, that pullback is happening right now. Come on, bro. You can't tell me I don't know what I'm doing, bro. You cannot tell me I don't know what I'm doing, bro. I literally took it to the highs. I literally sold most of my candlestick at those highs, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Y'all need to hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that like and subscribe button, bro. We only going up from here. I'm trying to tell you. We only going up from here, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Straight like that. I took the loss on my live trading video today. Y'all need to go back and watch my latest live trading video. Oh damn, when this drop, it's not gonna be the latest one. But I'll tag that live trading video in this video so you guys can go and watch that and see me take that loss on the live video. And then understand how I came back. Mentality. Mentality. Bro, I took profits a minute before. Anyways, let's go back to what I was telling you guys about. Then I tried to re-enter shorts after getting wicked out, and I immediately went full size. So I immediately went full size after after losing the first trade. And I never should go full size immediately right after. Like, I'm talking about I'm not scaling in. I'm talking about I immediately just went, my full size inside the trade, which I can't do after my loss. It's one of my rules. I need to watch and scale because if I lose again, then boom, I'm probably done for the day. So I need after my first loss, like today, I just like to be a little bit more cautious and scale in slowly, which I didn't do. But anyway, back to what I wrote. Never go full size again, only half the position, especially if you are going back in the same direction. I've been noticing lately I keep getting stopped out just for price to eventually go in my favor. The last 3 trading days, not including Tuesday, costing me about 1K minimum of profits down the fucking drain. Excuse my language, but that's how I talk to myself. I'm trying to stay positive, Billy, but in reality, I'm super fucking pissed. Yeah, I was mad. What was this, yesterday? Yeah, this was yesterday. I know what I'm doing, and I know how to read price action, but I can't seem to pass the challenge when I keep getting so fucking close. Prices clearly stop hunting, but I know where the good areas are for my stop loss. That's what I meant to put. Yeah. Long story short, this was a trade that went in my favor eventually. It went in my favor. So I went 6 contracts deep. As you guys can see, it was basically the same thing. That's why I don't have anything posted right here. I could just copy and paste that. It was the same trade. I went 6 contracts deep at one time. Look at the timestamps. Entry 7:33. Entry 7. It's the same thing. But I got fucked. Same thing. I got into some longs after M&Q broke above 21,747, but this was after I was trading. That's the thing. I eventually went long 3 contracts around 3:51 p.m. Sunday afternoon. Price was making price structure, telling me higher lows buyers were present. I do think I should have waited to add to my position on complete confirmation. See, I noticed that's one of my issues, just adding, full size immediately. So that's one thing I'm trying to work on. But I knew what I seen on the charts and tried it. Eventually, I was stopped out on a dip just for price to continue to go in my favor. Now, on all these trades that I've taken, price went in my favor. I eventually tried longs again, but this was on NQ, so I had a super tight stop loss. At this point, I was trying to make some money back. I notice anytime I do that, I lose, and then I hop right on NQ or ES. That means I'm trying to make money back subconsciously. That's why I've locked them. I eventually tried longs again due to the buying volume that was stopped in periodically, but I had a super tight stop loss since I was already down $225 and only had about $120 worth of risk. Mind you, the market is even open. It's 7:33 p.m. I'm trying to make money back. It's just not looking good. About $120 worth of risk available, and of course, it pulled back to stop me out. Price eventually went in the direction I was looking for. That would have been a really nice trade. Again, it's not like I'm wrong. It's I'm getting stopped out just for price to go in my favor. Same thing again. Went long on when price broke above MES, broke above 6,000, retested it right here. My entry is right there. This is where I stopped out, and this was my actual stop loss, which was that key level, under that key level. So why did I stop out? Why did I stop myself out? It's because, boom, I made a decision about a trade after I just woke up in my bed. Still half asleep. I was still half asleep looking at my chart in my bed from my MacBook. It's one thing I'll never do again, is make a decision about a trade in my bed. So long story short, that's the reason why I cut that trade. Out of everything I said, that's the reason why. I was, sleepy, and I seen it pulling back, and I'm like, oh man. And I got scared and I cut it, damn near half asleep. Which I regret it, because it hit my price target, and once again, that would have been a trade to pass my challenge. All these trades would have been trades to pass my challenge too. That's the crazy part, but I digress, bro. I digress. I did the same thing, but on NQ. Try to go long. Again, with the super tight stop loss is that it get me fucked. Same thing. So that's basically it. Just wait till I start having 10K months, bro. It's gonna come. But anyways, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.